G'day and welcome back. In my last video I said I was going to take some time off, do some chores around the house and prune the trees and all sorts of things. Unfortunately I was diagnosed with a melanoma on my back, which they cut out, so I'm on light duty, so I'm not allowed to lift anything heavy. So instead of doing the Loewe Opta I said I was going to do last time, what I thought I'd do instead was to just go through some items I bought at the club auction. I bought this box, there's some other stuff on the side here. So the first thing I'll have a look at is what's in this box here. And there's a list here, which I actually didn't look in this box. I was a bit late getting to the auction, and the only thing I actually wanted was this tape. So I bought the entire box thinking I'll get the tape, and I didn't expect to pay a lot. I actually paid more than I thought. So if there's the list there, I didn't even see this before I bought it. It's got some sort of modulation meter. Those two are crossed out. I don't know what happened to them. A couple of miniature radios apparently, some valves, a Vhf converter and a transistor tester, and some meters and dials. So I'll pull the first thing out, and here it is. It's a home built kit of some sort. State-of-the-art Vhf converter. So not quite sure what it is. What's it say? 144 to 28 megahertz IF strip. I don't know what that band is. It might be ham or something, is it? Yeah, I don't know. State-of-the-art Vhf converter, UK Electronics. 2-meter converter. So I've no idea what it is. It won't be any good for me. Yeah, I think it's amateur radio of some sort, so no value to me. So, next thing, that's a transistor radio. It's in, it's upside down. Chinese or Japanese, I'm not sure what. Looks quite rattles. See if I can get it open. Nope, there's the, that's the wire for the batteries. Yeah, it looks pretty cheaply made. I'll stick a couple of batteries in and see if it works. I've put a couple of batteries in, but when I moved this lead to try and resolder, it just fell off, so I'll have to take the board out to get to that. But I put a bit of wire in there at the moment. That should work. We'll see what it does. So there you go. Well, the light comes on. See if I can pick up anything. Nothing. No, nothing there. There's no noise in the speaker. There's a bit of noise there when I connect the wire, that's all. But it's not tuning anything. This might be an interesting project for me one day. Have a little look at that. All right. Let's see what this is. This is a Lafayette 59er S meter. So that again will be amateur radio. Yeah, that'll be a signal strength meter or something. Nothing I would use. It's got little magnets there. You'd stick it on top of your whatever you've got underneath it, I guess. Alright, useless to me. Nice little meter here. 0 to 25 either side. Looks probably an ammeter. Yeah, 18 gauge wire. Wow, look at that. Alright. So, I can just see it in there. It says 25 micro amps. That may be useful. What else we got here? What's this? Right, that's a transistor checker. On off, yeah. All right, homemade. Homemade. Wander plugs, yeah, they're handy. Once again, not a lot of use for me. I can check transistors easily enough. What's that? Oh, a vernier dial. It's marked in 0 to 180. Or probably 180. Is that kilohertz? Yeah, look at that. Vernier adjustment. Alright. That may be handy for something. There's another one. And this one's in pretty ordinary condition. Another meter here. Ooh, this one doesn't look so good. This one is milliamperes. Direct current, DC milliamperes. I assume that used to be white. Might be alright, I have to make a new scale for it. What's that? Well, that's a plug. That's a 3-pin plug. Don't know what that is. And that's a magic eye. Yeah, a scutcheon. Oh, that could be good, handy for something. If I ever get a radio that looks like it needs one of those. Oops. Now, that's the main reason I wanted this box of parts, because it's got this brand new BASF tape in it. Now, I could have just bought the tape probably a bit cheaper than I paid for the box, but never mind. A bunch of valves. OD3. I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, just some nondescript valves. 6BA6. Alright, probably nothing here I haven't got a few of anyway. Some Radio Australia In Touch With The World. Now they would be old because Radio Australia went kaput some years ago. Government closed it down. What else we got? A couple of valves here. 6146B. No good to me. I'm getting a lot of no good to me things here. What's that? Sub-miniature 7-transistor pocket radio. Oh, look at that. Oops. Oh, that's not the, that's the box. Oh gosh, look at that. Little tuner. Volumes. No. Oh, earphone. Let's have a look inside. Whoops, that's broken. Wow. Well, I've got a battery here. I'll see if that's going to work. Ooh, it made a noise. No, I'm not getting anything there. Oh well, that doesn't work at all. I can't hear anything there. So maybe I'll do a video on trying to get this to work, and that other little white one I had. But this one's quite cute. It's in the original packaging. There's the instructions as well. Oh, look, little schematic. It says Ross Electronics Corporation, East Illinois Street, Chicago. Radio owner's registration. Important fill out this mail within 10 days. Very good. So I guess having all this original packaging would make this worth slightly more, if it's worth anything. What's that say? Earphone and battery. There's a bit of earwax in there, but not too... Oh no, it's broken off. I think it unwinds. Yeah. So that can be refitted. Very good. Now that'd be well worth trying to get that going. Well worth it. Another radio. Oh, it's a meter. Signal strength. Micronta. So that's the old Tandy or Radio Shack. No good to me though. Another transistor. Hey, look at that. It's got medium wave, short wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That'll be another one. I'll do a little transistor video one day. We'll get them all going. Chrysler's Radio and Hobbies Catalogue. Where's that? Oh, Sydney. Wow, what year is this? Precision dial. What year is it? Oh, 1938. Oh yeah, 1938-39. That's an interesting little book. That'd be good to go through. All right, well that's that for that box. I'll move on to the next one. This one says Chrysler Chassis. All right, I'll try and get this out. Now, looking at that, it's a Kriesler, but it said Chrysler on the box, didn't it? It's got 5 knobs. I'll have to see what that is. Or 5 shafts. Now, normally the centre one would be fitted for a battery set, but this has got a transformer in it. So I don't know what's going on there. Just turn it around. Looks like it's 1125. Someone's done this before. It's been painted. The chassis has been painted. So there's the rectifier there. 4-valve set. Yeah, 6AD8. This will be a 6M5. Yep. And I'll just turn it over. And someone's been in here and done all this. There's the power. There's a train. Oh, that's not very good, is it? It's all just, well, that one's just not even going anywhere. It's disconnected. So. Still got some of the old stuff in there. Got some new capacitors in there. I'm not sure what that is. That looks sort of semi-old, that one. That's been replaced, but I don't think it's not the new style. That looks maybe 60s or 70s. A couple of Phillips capacitors in there. Looks like an old waxy still up here. So it's had some sort of work done to it, but not to my standard, that's for sure. Gosh, how can you just leave them like that's ridiculous. So what's that third switch? Oh wait, it's probably a gramophone input or something, or record player. Yeah, that'll be a record player switch. I don't know if that's standard or not. Actually, this may have been out of a radiogram, so that's what that's for. This one's tone, that's volume. That one's tuning, which is disconnected, and that one's shortwave. So, yeah, maybe that was standard. So it looks complete. It's lost that connection there, so maybe, oh, that's all corroded. So maybe I can solder that back on there and try it out. I'll put this aside for a minute. I might plug it in and see if it works. Now, this was the other thing I bought. It's a Hacker transistor radio, and it's a Autocrat Mark II by Hacker. Medium wave, long wave. This is a British set or a UK set. Oh, they're medium wave. What's auto? Auto what? Oh, doesn't do anything. Doesn't lock. Oh, I have to work that out. Tone off, volume. Yeah. It's in pretty good condition. It's dirty. 9 volts in, antenna. So this would have been used in a car. You would plug a car antenna into there. Guess the date, I don't know, 60s, early 70s, maybe. It looks pretty good. I think that used to be silver, that little bit of trim. Yeah, it's still silver underneath. Alright, I will do a video on this one as well. This will clean up nicely. Let's have a quick look in the back. Yeah, there's another plug there. What's that? Is that the aerial? Oh, that's got something missing there. That must have had some sort of escutcheon across it, maybe louvers or something. I don't know how you get in there. Oh, that's easy. Oh. Alright, oh there it is. Two of those big 9-volt battery. So I won't spoil it. I'll put that aside and we'll have a go at that in one of the videos one day. I don't remember what I paid for it. I think I paid about $40 for it or something. Got into a bit of a bidding war with some bloke. Nobody had ever heard of Hacker, but because of my association with Graham the Radio Cruncher, I'm a bit of a Hacker fan now, so I couldn't pass up on that one. Alright, let's have a quick look at this one again. That's come undone. I'm pretty sure that's going to ground. I might leave that disconnected. I'm not 100% sure where it goes. The worst thing that'll happen is it'll hum like mad. Alright, let me get ready and I'll put some power on it. We'll see what it does. Now I've connected some power to it. I've got the speaker wires connected to the shop speaker. That's phono. I'll turn it on. We'll see what happens. Dim bulb. Looks pretty normal there. Hasn't dropped the voltage much. The bulb hasn't come on at all. That's full volume there. No, I can hear some crackling. I'll try. Oh, there it is.
Mohammed Al-Halabi was the operations manager for World Vision in Durham.
No, that's as high as the volume goes.
responsibly, and I hope you can.
Yeah. Very, very soft volume. Sounds distorted as well. I'll flip it over and see what's going on underneath. Okay, it's upside down. I'll put some power back on. It's running again. I've got my meter on DC. I'll just see what voltage this is. -6. Okay, so that can go to ground. I'll solder it back on. Alright, that's soldered on. I'll put it on, see if it makes a difference. Yeah, it made no difference there. I'll check the grid voltage. Not sure what it is on a 6M5 now. 2.3. So that's going to ground, not the cathode. Not sure which one's the plate. Not that one. Not that one. Okay, I see what's going on. There's no output transformer. Hang on, I'll turn that off. Okay, so I'm running full plate voltage through the speaker. Yeah, idiot. Okay, I've put an output transformer here. I have no idea what it's rated at. I'll just see if this works. This is going to be a scrap radio anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. But rather a silly mistake to do that. It won't do my speaker any good putting all that voltage through it. Now while that warms up, I don't know what I was thinking. Why would I not put an output train anyway? Alright, I'll put this about halfway. Now the tuner's in here. I'll see if I can get anything. It's not working at all there. I'll turn it up a bit more. No, nothing. I'll go to full power. Maybe it just hasn't got enough. Alright, I'll try it on full power then. There's nothing there. Hang on. Oh. I was trying to get a buzz there. Must be a bad solder there.
He says about the old man Cormac and the young one Trin, God wants you to come to find this out. And of course, like the
fan the front, want to hold the inside.
It sounds alright. It may be a little bit distorted, but it's probably a bit distorted. My shop speaker makes them sound very deep.
The series that Aussie actress Sarah Snook is currently starring in. It's a tougher one. It's been lovely talking to you though.
Whoa, went the wrong way. Okay. So something wrong with that there. Oh, I don't know. It's not the valve. Oh, I don't know. I don't know what happened there. It's got some bad solders on this thing. Golly Wally, I don't know who did this. Anyway, that's all I wanted to do. It works, just for a bit of fun. I'm not going to use this. I will perhaps keep it, and if someone needs a chassis, but I'll just use it for parts if I need something off it. I only paid about $5 for it, so yeah. That's it for this one. This is a very short one. I just wanted to show you what you could get at a club auction, and they've been very good. I've got tools and parts and valves, everything pretty cheap, being able to build up stock. So if you're starting out in this sort of hobby, yeah, that's a good place to start. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Wasn't much, but I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you can join me for my next radio adventure.